Kenneth tree, now good again, look at. As far as you can look, it's water. All the way up on Chapton Road. Kenneth tree. Manchester Avenue. Flooded. See? Rubies. Flooded. Uptown. Flooded. All of these roads impossible. The false wash away.
Hold them Jigo. Wow, cool dog. Almighty God, look there. It's getting worse. That hill. This is by 7 miles going towards 8 miles in Bull Bay. And trust me, the hill has given way. And this is now the road and everything is going into the sea. So this is the water coming from Shooter's Hill. And this is not a river in dry times. But this is what it is in rain. So there's a JUTC bus coming now. Just to give you a judgment of where the water is at. Look at the front of the bus.
Yo, the man trying to drive, watch it. I